A very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you guys are all doing great. So if you can hear me and see me well, then give me a thumbs up in the chat real quick. Hello everybody. Are you all able to hear me and see me? If yes, and if you're all ready for this session, give me a thumbs up quickly, guys. Hi Dhanush, welcome man. Hello Achyut, Albert Einstein is here. We have Kirito, welcome guys. Amit Mantra is also here, welcome. So let us wait for your friends to join and then we will get started with this amazing session. So today we will be looking at Ellipse Part 2. So we are going through the 11th standard coordinate geometry part and I'll be helping you out with the JEE Main level concept discussion. Okay. Hi Ragunesh, welcome man. Hello Anisha, welcome. Very nice to see you back. Hi Uncharted, welcome guys. So let us move forward. We will quickly look at the introduction for all those who are new to this channel. Guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach math here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras and I also prepared for exams like KVPY, JEE Mains, and I have cleared all of them. Okay, so if you want to be closer to me, if you want to know more about me, then maybe you can follow me in Instagram because I'm quite active there and I do respond to most of the queries by all the students. Okay, so let's proceed. Guys, we are back to the preparatory mode. We are with full fire now because this is a new year, a new beginning, and I want you to capitalize on that. Everybody who is a part of this channel should taste success in the coming days. Okay, and we are going to help you do that, and that is why we have come up with a very strong schedule. So this is the schedule until Thursday. You see that Monday we have Ellipse, that is today, and tonight, how many of you are excited for JEE Mains previous year? Are you guys excited for that? Because today it is complex numbers, so even the 11th standard students and the 12th standard students, both of you guys can attend. Okay, and then we have Ellipse, again lecture 3 tomorrow. Again we have permutation and combination. Then we have Ellipse advanced level problem solving. Then KVPY essay session. So many of you are asking me, sir, can you conduct some sessions on KVPY? So guys, this is it for you. So please be there in that class. And finally, a very big announcement. On Thursday, we'll have the marathon. And that marathon will be of differential calculus. When I say differential calculus, I will start with functions, go to limits, go to continuity, and then differentiability, completing with AOD. All the 5 major topics of differential calculus will be covered, but only the important topics will be done. So if you guys want to be a part of it, please be there. Okay, great. Yes. Achyut, we will look into it, don't worry. Okay, so let us move forward, guys. Are you all clear? Kiran Kumar, finally, you have your name. Great, man. Will Menti be there on Tuesday or not? I think Menti for this week, I'm not sure, guys. It will not be there because we are coming up with a marathon series. So it will be difficult to accommodate. Got it? And moreover, we are preparing for exams like KVPY SA, KVPY SX and so on. So we will have to somehow try and manage. Got it? Uncharted? For 1 week, maybe after that we will come back to it, don't worry. Hi Mail Bharati, welcome. Amit Mantra, welcome man. Uncharted, definitely. I have taken note of it. Ridhima Singh is also here. Welcome Ridhima. Vishnu, definitely. Velugula Likit, yes. Differential calculus is for 12th standard, not 11th. Menti, I will try to keep it in the morning because a lot of you are interested in Menti. So what time do you prefer for Menti quiz? Very good evening Ridhima, so nice to see you. Wonderful to have you guys. Abhishek is also here. What time do you guys prefer for the Menti quiz? Can you all let me know? 7 a.m. You guys will be awake at 7 a.m. because I find it hard to wake up at 7, honestly. Okay, exactly. Yes, Uncharted. But Uncharted, 11 p.m. I have everyday sessions now already. So these are all teaching sessions which we can't change. So what should I do? Exactly, Anisha, 11 a.m. the crowd is also very less. So I think it's not a very good time. So I am thinking maybe early morning. Yes, Olivia, I would love to see you. Try to come there at 11 p.m. tonight. Okay. So guys, will you be able to attend early morning sessions like 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock? If I conduct the Menti quiz, will that be great? 9 p.m. like Wasim sir, but 9 p.m. I have my regular classes here, Kiran, in Vedantu. Definitely yes. Okay, everybody is saying, sir, morning we will do it. Everybody is excited. I don't know how you guys wake up at 7, man. Like, maybe you are in school, that's why. Okay, I'll try to keep it at 7. I think because you guys are all excited, I think we can probably try 7 a.m. I will help you with that. So now, no way. Olivia says no way. Achyut is like, no sir. Okay guys, don't worry. I will come up with a good timing. Okay. So I'll try to keep the Menti quiz on a preferred time by a lot of students. I will take a poll tomorrow. I will take a poll in the Telegram group so that everybody is fair and everybody is given an opportunity. Okay. Very good. Yes. Okay, Anisha, I didn't know that. That is amazing. So guys, we will get started without any further ado because we have a lot to cover in Ellipse lecture number 2. Let's have fun. At the same time, we will learn something great. Okay. So as you all can see over here, this is our channel. It is a new channel by Vedantu made only for you guys. So for all those students who find difficult to follow in Hindi, we made this channel just in English. Okay. So definitely support us. Give a subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are liking the video, then definitely show it by giving a thumbs up. Not just this video, to all the videos in the channel so that we would be motivated to come up with better content and greater enthusiasm. Okay. How important is hyperbola for mains? See, Albert Einstein, your ellipse and hyperbola are very, very similar. If you know these two topics, you must be agreeing with me. Ellipse and hyperbola are almost the same. So if you are studying ellipse, your hyperbola is automatically taken care of to a certain extent. Okay, there are topics, I do agree. There are topics like rectangular hyperbola, there are topics like asymptotes and all that. But if your ellipse is good, then you can definitely spend some extra time and complete hyperbola also. So don't leave out any topic as far as mains is concerned. So if you ask me weightage of hyperbola, it is going to be less, but still don't let go of it. That is my advice to everybody. Okay. Are you all clear? Exactly, Abhishek. Abhishek is on the dot correct because parabola is the most important topic even for JEE Mains and for JEE Advanced. Got it? Hi Aksa, welcome. Hello Rajat, welcome guys. So let's begin. I'm gonna get started with the session. Are you all ready? Everybody, can you show me some excitement like this little girl over here? Everybody is excited. Can you all give me a thumbs up? Kawai. Okay, great. Hi Josh, that's awesome. Is Vedantu online platform enough for cracking JEE Mains and Advanced? Absolutely yes. Absolutely. If you're a hard-working student, then Vedantu alone can take you even to a top rank. I can assure you of that. And we have students who are living proof of it. Okay. We have proof of what I'm saying as well. So don't worry about it. Did people have high expectations on you while you are preparing? Of course, yes. Of course, yes, Venisha. Yeah, that is a pressure. So for me, it was a bit difficult because, so when I was there, there used to be an exam called FTRE. Have you guys heard of it? So that is called as FITGE Talent Reward Exam, right? So a lot of people used to write it, and whenever I write it, I used to get around 51, 62, 92 rank. So because of that, there was a lot of expectation. Because I got good rank in that, people are thinking I'll get very good rank in JEE also. So I had to live up to people's expectation. But what I would say is don't fall into that pressure, okay? You have to believe in yourself, but that should not become your overconfidence, okay? So all these exams, you might get a good rank, but still advance is a completely different ball game. Because these exams, people from Andhra do not write, people from Kota do not write. So without the two major hub, if you are getting a good rank, doesn't necessarily mean you are very good. Are you getting my point? So that is why always stay humble and put your best effort, be true to yourself and give your best. That's it. So that is what I would say. Don't mind all these external influences. Got it? Okay, so let's move forward. Now, coming to the ellipse topic, guys, this is a wonderful topic. I want to teach you the important stuff. So please listen carefully. I'm going to get started. Will you start one shot series? Rajat, we are starting the marathon series this week on Thursday. So please be there, okay? Marathon series is starting on Thursday. Definitely, I would love to have you guys. It is going to be a long session. So if you are in 11th, if you are in 12th, guys, it is a great opportunity to know all the important aspects of differential calculus. So make your calendar free on Thursday. Okay, that's my suggestion to all of you. Is the slide too bright? If there is any problem, please let me know. For me, it seems okay. Have you taken calculus? Yes, Ragunesh, please check out. I didn't do it in detail, but I have taken problem solving sessions. I will start sprint as well, because sprint will give you access or give you confidence to attempt JEE Mains questions. I'm going to keep doing a lot of things. So please do your part by spreading the word. That is the greatest help you guys can do to us. Okay? Perfect. So here we go. So first of all, if a point P lies outside the ellipse, what is the condition? If a point P lies inside the ellipse, what is the condition? So that is what I want to teach you guys right now. If a point P lies on the ellipse, I hope everybody knows that. What is the condition if point P lies on the ellipse? It has to satisfy the ellipse. Are you all clear? Exactly, Albert, you can say that. Are you all able to understand that? If a point P lies on the ellipse, then it has to satisfy the ellipse equation. So that is quite obvious. So if P lies, P is what? X1 comma Y1. If it lies on the ellipse, then it has to satisfy this ellipse equation. Are you all clear with it? So that is quite easy to understand. So let us say you have a very nice ellipse over here, and I want to understand what is the condition for P lying on the ellipse, for P lying outside, and for P lying inside the ellipse. Lying on the ellipse, everybody can do. Everybody. It's a very simple concept. But now, if it lies outside, then the condition is this value will be greater than 1. So if this value is greater than 1, then it is supposed to be outside the ellipse. This is on the ellipse. So naturally, if it is less than 1, it will be inside the ellipse. Are you all clear? And guys, this is quite important. You should know. You should be knowing all this. Absolutely right, Abhishek Kumar. Very good, Amit. You are right. You are absolutely right. Are you all able to get it? So this is the concept for position of a point with respect to an ellipse. What is the topic? The topic is position of a point with respect to an ellipse. So if the point is outside the ellipse, then if you substitute the point inside the equation, you will get greater than 1. If it is on the ellipse, it will be equal to 1. If it is inside the ellipse, it will be lesser than 1. I hope, are you all clear with that? Yes? Perfect, guys. Perfect. Awesome. Now, I want to ask you all a very conceptual question. Can you all help me with that? Can you all help me with that? So if I say I have a point P outside the ellipse, how many tangents can I draw from this point? Exactly. Very good. Very good, Maladi Sashidhar. That was the perfect reply to Achyut. Very good, very good. Achyut, think about it. I will tell you later. Very good. Absolutely right. Kirito, Sashidhar, Abhishek, Albert Einstein, Uncharted, Anisha, you guys are all correct. Okay. Ali, it is 2 Ali. Okay. The answer is going to be 2. Yes, Vishnu, I will help you. Don't worry. So, you can draw 2 tangents from an external point P. Something like that. Okay. But if you have a point on the ellipse, how many tangents can you draw? So, if I have a tangent drawn on the ellipse at P, how many tangents can I draw? I can draw only 1 tangent. At the point P, I can draw only 1 tangent. So, if I have an external point, I can draw 2 tangents from that. And if I have a point on the ellipse, I can draw only 1 tangent from that. Isn't that correct, guys? Are you all clear with it? And that's quite obvious, right? It is an intuitive feeling. It is an intuitive feeling. I hope you guys are all able to grab that. Yes. Hello, Sugdha. Welcome, Sugdha. Welcome. So nice to see you. Great. I hope everybody is able to follow. Ridhima, Shreya, Amit. Yes, all of you. Brilliant job, guys. Brilliant job. That's amazing. So with that, I'm going to give you a small question to test your understanding. Sugdha, that was the first slide. So you didn't miss much. Don't worry, because we were all having a nice conversation. Okay. We were talking about the various plans that we have for this year. So that is why it got a bit delayed. So Dhanush, yes Dhanush, what is your answer? Kirito says C. Mr. Best, welcome man, no problem. You are on time because this is the first question after the first slide. Yes, Free Fire, of course. Sir, later on, will you go on detail for each chapter? Yes, Shreya. Once the JEE Mains for your 12th standard is over, I will take up every chapter in detail so that my 11th standard students currently will get maximum benefit. Okay, we will do that. Maladi Sashidhar says 0 tangent. Are you guys sure? Albert Einstein, Kiran Kumar, Mr. Best, you guys are all correct. What about Venisha? Venisha, did you get the answer? Okay. Okay, perfect. So let's see who is right and who is wrong. So guys, the answer, like most of your friends have said, it is nothing but your option C. Why? Because this point lies outside this ellipse. That is what you have to test. Are you getting, Sashidhar? You have to check where the point lies with respect to the ellipse. Everybody is fine with that? So here, if I have an ellipse like, let's say 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32. So I want to know what will happen if I put 3, 5. So if I put x as 3 and y as 5, what will I get? Will I get greater than 32? So whenever greater than comes, that means the point lies outside. So if the point lies outside, I know for sure that I can draw 2 tangents. What is the difficulty over here? Are you all clear? Are you all clear with it? Yes? Very good, Maladi Sashidhar. Superb. Shrivani, nope, you are on time. This is the first question after the first slide, Shrivani. Okay, so don't worry. Why real tangents? Because guys, there are imaginary lines as well, but don't go into the details of it. It's okay. They just meant tangents over here. Don't worry too much about it. Got it? Thank you, Mr. Best. I'm so happy that these lectures are so useful for you guys. Don't worry, we have great things coming up and you guys will be amazed. All we need is your support, your love and your share. Okay, so please spread the word to as many people as possible so that we can have a greater time together later on. Okay? Exactly, Ali. You guys made it possible. Now we are a family of 10K plus subscribers. Great. So shall we move forward, guys? Let us proceed. The next point which I want you all to know is something called as an auxiliary circle. Have you guys heard of it? Have you guys heard of the concept auxiliary circle? So if you have an auxiliary circle for an ellipse, how does the equation of that look like? Let me explain it. So let us say you have an ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where your a is greater than b. Are you all clear with that? Let us say this is the ellipse which I have. This is the ellipse which I have. Now, auxiliary circle is the circle which is drawn with the major axis as diameter. So what is the major axis? Don't you all agree? This is your major axis. So with that major axis as my diameter, if I draw a circle, now that circle is called as my auxiliary circle. So in this example, in this diagram over here, this is my auxiliary circle. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? That is what my auxiliary circle looks like. Are you all clear? Orthogonal pair of perpendicular tangents. No Sasi there. Orthogonal is a different concept. Don't worry about it right now. And auxiliary circle has not got anything to do with that. Okay? So don't worry about it. Exactly Albert Einstein. I'm slowly coming to eccentric angle. That is why I defined my auxiliary circle. So everybody clear with it? So auxiliary circle is nothing but the circle which is drawn with your major axis as diameter. Please don't forget that. Okay. Hi Umar, welcome man. Very nice to see you over here. So shall we proceed? Now why did I teach you auxiliary circle all of a sudden? Because to define your eccentric angle, you need to know what is your auxiliary circle. Let me give you a brief idea. But before I jump onto this, I want you guys to understand what is the parametric point for a circle, which we have already done. So I'm going to explain it in a short while. Everybody please pay attention. Okay? Very good guys. So let us say I have a circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So how does it look like? The circle is going to be having the center at 0, 0. And the radius is going to be a. So if I take any parametric point, let's say P, I can write this as a cos theta, a sin theta. Everybody knows that a cos theta, a sin theta will be the coordinates of the point P. I hope everybody is aware of that because we have learned that in our circles chapter. Isn't that absolutely right? Are you guys able to understand that? Everybody? Yes? Brilliant guys. So now I want to do the same in ellipse. But please understand, I cannot take theta like this. That is not allowed. That is not allowed. Because unlike ellipse, unlike your circle over here, your ellipse, each theta, will it correspond to a unique p-value? That is the problem. So what I will do here is, I will define the eccentric angle. So what I am going to do, listen very carefully. So I am going to take P here and I will drop a perpendicular from P. And this point is P dash. And we know that this radius is equal to A, which is the semi-major axis. So this angle I will define as my eccentric angle. So what will be the x-coordinate of point P? The x-coordinate of point P is a cos theta, because this is a cos theta. But what is the y-coordinate? I don't know. So I will substitute in this equation. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So I will get x square by a square as cos square theta plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this will imply y is nothing but b sin theta. So a sin theta comma b sin theta will be the parametric point of an ellipse. Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Are you all able to understand? Okay. Yes, Sasidhar, x square plus y square equal to b square is a circle with the minor axis as the diameter, but there is no special case regarding that. Okay. Are you all clear with that? Yes. So we will take only the positive one because I am looking at the first quadrant, Kirito. So if you want something over here which is negative, then I will choose my theta accordingly. Are you all able to follow that? Yes. So please listen carefully. Eccentric angle for a circle is very simple, right? For a circle, the parametric point is a cos theta comma a sin theta. So theta is very simple. What is theta? Theta is the angle which the line connecting the origin to the point makes with the x-axis. So that is what I want you to understand. So theta in case of a circle is very easy. Everybody can directly see it and understand. But what people don't realize is when you talk about an ellipse has a parametric point as a cos theta comma b sin theta. But everybody thinks this theta and this theta are nothing but just like circle. If I connect origin to the point P, that line will make an angle theta. Is that correct? If I say this, am I right? If you tell this black thing, you are absolutely wrong. But that is what people misunderstand. That is what many of these students think is correct. But that is not right, because eccentric angle for an ellipse is defined with the help of auxiliary circle. It is not defined with the help of ellipse directly. Are you clear with it now? So if anybody asks you this question, you should be able to correct them. You should be able to tell them, this is how eccentric angle is found out. Are you clear with it? Did you guys like that? Everybody is clear with this concept? Dhanush, I hope you are getting it now. If anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask, guys. Let's have a very interactive session. I don't want anybody having any query in your head. Everybody should be on the same page. Yes, Albert Einstein. That is because of the timing. That is why we are working on it. Don't worry. We will try to make it big slowly, and you guys can do your part. Everybody is fine with it? Brilliant, Dhanush. That's awesome. So with that, let me move forward and give you guys a question. Please do it. Please try to do it. Kiran. That is nice of you, man, but some people do get doubts, so I want to help them as well. So we will try to grow together. Okay. So guys, please try to solve this question. All of you. Great, Dhanush. So yeah, last year I have taken a lot of videos on JEE channel, the Vedantu Hindi channel, right? So I have taken a lot of sessions in that. So if you guys have time, definitely check it out. It might be of use and it might definitely help your preparation as well. Yes, Preeti Malar, we are trying to do it. I will definitely add more videos. We are trying to do things slowly. Okay, but don't worry, I will help you. No, Gaurav, I will come back with Vedantu's t-shirt, man. Right now, I stay in a different place, so I'm running out of it. So next class, I'll have it, don't worry. So, Albert Einstein says A, Kirito says A. What do you guys think is the answer? Dhanush says A. Anisha is also very confident. Sir, it is option A. Great, Dhanush. I'm glad you liked it. So guys, let's try to solve this question. Please listen carefully. So what do we have here? So we have an ellipse and we are given the distance of a point from the center of an ellipse. So what is the center of that ellipse? The center of that ellipse is 0, 0. So distance of this point from the center is 2. And we know that this is the ellipse. So I can write it in the standard form as x square by 6 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. So I know that a square is equal to 6 and b square is equal to 2. So what is the parametric point P? The parametric point P will be root 6 cos theta, comma root 2 sin theta. And the distance between this and the center, which is 0, 0, is nothing but 2. So what is 2? 2 is equal to square root of root 6 cos theta minus 0 whole square, which will be 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. So if I square it and open it, I'll get 4 is equal to 2 plus 4 cos square theta, and that will be 2 is equal to 4 cos square theta. So I will get cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So I'll get theta is equal to pi by 4, because that clearly will satisfy this expression or this equality which I have over here. Are you all clear with it? Exactly, Sriram, you are right. Conics is an easy topic because it has got to do with a lot of properties and remembering some cool information. That's it. Very good, Albert Einstein. I'm so happy that you guys are all following. So are you all clear with it, guys? Everybody? Yep. So no doubts, no questions. Shall we move forward? Hi Aditya, welcome man. Very nice to see you, Aditya. So let us go ahead, guys. Let's move forward to the next question which I have for everybody over here. So here we go. Please solve it. This is a very nice question. And this was asked in the year 1994. It is much before all of us were all born. So please try to solve it, guys. Keep one session for doubt solving. Yes, even Dia was asking about it. Some of our old students are missing. I think Dia and then Satyam. I hope they are all learning and they will come back. Sir, I have backlog on questions, doing parabola questions now, but learning ellipse. What to do? Danush, I would say you will have to catch up on your problem solving because you need to keep it right on schedule. So try to take one day off and put extra effort so that you come up to date. That is very important. Hi Abhishek, that is awesome man, great to have you here. So people are saying, sir, is it A? Kirito is saying, sir, is it C? Uncharted is saying, Albert Einstein is saying B. Only one option is left out, guys. You can choose that also. Ruchir Agarwal is saying, sir, pakka it is A only, sir. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. I am not going to reveal the answer right now. Okay. Exactly, Kiran. That's what I was wondering. Wajahat. Hello, Wajahat. Welcome. Shashank is also here. Aditya says A. Anisha is saying, sir, my calculation says B. And your calculations are correct, Anisha. So, option B is in fact the right answer. So, you guys are right, my friends. That's absolutely right. Okay. Yes, yes, Albert Einstein, you are absolutely correct. He was the first one to answer. Very good, Achyut, that's correct. Shashank, Kirito, Aditya and all the others, guys, please check it because the answer is option B. Now I will tell you how to solve it. Please listen carefully. Try to follow, and if you have doubts, ask me then and there. Okay. So we have an ellipse like this. We have a nice ellipse and you have one focus over here and one focus over here. This will be AE, 0 and this will be minus AE, 0. I hope you guys are all aware of it. Everybody. Now there is a point P which is moving along the ellipse. Now where should be point P such that the area of this triangle is maximum. So guys, the area of this triangle is half base is SS dash, which is 2AE, half base into height. Height is nothing but the height of point P from the base. So when will the height be maximum? The height will be maximum when P is over here. Do you all agree? So the maximum height is going to be B. The maximum height is going to be B. That's it. So the answer is A, B, E, which is over here. Are you all clear? Was it difficult? Was it difficult? That comes just by observation and a bit of intelligent thinking. Are you all able to follow that? Everybody? Very good, Abhishek. Very good, Aditya. Brilliant job, guys. You are all awesome. So with that, let us move forward. I will show you another interesting way in which they have solved it. Okay. So this is another way of solving it. I wanted you to know this as well. So that is why I have given this solution as well. Okay. So if you want to calculate the area of a triangle, I gave you a formula, right? Do you all remember that? The formula is half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this determinant formula is used when you know all the vertices of your triangle. When all the three vertices of your triangle are known, you can use this formula and the area comes out to be ABE sin theta. Why sin theta? Because I took any random point P. I didn't take P to be the end point of minor axis. That was the first method. I guessed it to be the end point of minor axis. But if you're not able to think like that, then you can go by procedure. So if you go by procedure, this is how you're supposed to do. And when you do that, you will get the area to be ABE sin theta. So if you want it to be maximum, your sin theta should be maximum 1. And because of that, the area will be ABE, which is option B, which is the right answer. Are you all clear? Are you guys clear? Everybody? Very good, very good. Exactly, Kirito. That's true, because the first method here is very simple. Yes, Aditya, we have some application of trigonometry over here because sin theta maximum value is 1. That is pretty obvious. I hope you guys are aware of it. And some of you are asking doubts. Can you guys please send me the message again? I would love to respond to everybody. Hello, Mahin Panchal. Welcome. Very nice to see you. So guys, with that, let me talk about the pro subscription. How many of you are aware of the pro subscription? So the pro subscription is the regular classes in Vedantu where you have all the master teachers helping you every day of this year. So if you guys want to be a part of the pro subscription, definitely check it out because we have 20 plus teachers with more than 5 years experience teaching toppers. Then you have English and Hindi, flexibility. No Albert Einstein, of course it's not over. I just wanted to give you an idea about the pro subscription so that you guys, the ones who are having a burning desire to get into IIT, the ones who have a great fire for getting into an NIT, doing well in life, can make use of this. Okay. So this is the micro course. You have KVPY, you have JEE Mains, you have JEE Advanced, all of it put together in a single package available to you with test series, assignments, more than 10,000 questions. That is amazing. And on top of it, the cherry on the cake is the Vedantu's platform. So if you guys are interested, check it out because right now there is a 20% offer going on and you guys can use my coupon code which goes like this, SHJ Pro, and that is nothing but Shimon Joseph Pro. Okay, got it? So with that, let's move forward. So next we are moving forward to equation of a chord. If you guys have any questions, please do let me know. Until now, whatever we have done, if you guys have any question, please feel free to post it in the chat. Aditya is asking, sir, my meaning is trigonometry function. I didn't get it, Aditya. Is trigonometry a function? Trigonometry is a chapter, it is a unit. Okay, so I am not sure what you are asking exactly. Please type it down in detail. Yes, Umar, I hope you will make use of it. So guys, let's go forward and let's try to have a look at equation of a chord. But before that, I want to ask you guys something. What do you think is a chord? Very true. Albert Einstein, you are correct. So you are asking, when will trigonometric function start? Aditya, we will have to cover hyperbola, and after hyperbola is done, we will start off with trigonometry. Okay, don't worry, because I see that a lot of students are asking to start trigonometry because you guys find it a bit difficult. So don't worry, I'm here to help you. We will do it together. Hello Sachin, welcome man. Hello Kiran Kumar. What happened? Exactly. So guys, I hope everybody is aware of what is a chord. Ridhima, what is a chord? Are you aware of it? Very good, very good. So a chord is nothing but a line which connects 2 points inside an ellipse. That's it. Okay. So listen carefully. We will try to solve it. So let us say I have 2 points with parameter phi and parameter theta. If I connect to two of them, then this is the line equation. So this is nothing but the line equation of PQ over there. So please make a note of it, guys. It's very important and I would recommend you to remember this. Okay. I would recommend all of you to remember this. Is diameter a chord? Of course, yes. Of course, yes. For a circle, diameter is said to be the biggest chord. Okay. For a circle, the diameter is supposed to be the largest chord. Are you able to understand that? Everybody? So shall we take a question based on this, guys? I want you to understand the application of it. The derivation of this is not very important, guys. The derivation is very simple because you are given 2 points. You can use y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Are you all clear with that? So if you open this, you will get this formula. So that is the derivation, which is not very important in my opinion. So what I would suggest you to remember is this chord equation, because I'm going to give you two questions, two wonderful questions based on this. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Are all my ninjas ready for the challenge up ahead? Yeah? Very good, very good. Very good, Naushiba. That's brilliant. Okay, great. So let us move forward, guys. Let's go ahead and try to solve this. Please do it, guys. Everybody should try it out. Are you all getting it, guys? What is happening? I want to know your opinion. Can you all give me a thumbs up? Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Everybody. Yes? Okay, great. Very good, Sugdha. Very good, Shreya, Anisha. What about Uncharted? What about Achyut? What about Kiran? What about Shreya? Yes, great, guys. We have lots of Shreyas today. What about Ridhima? Are you following it, Ridhima? Good job. So with that, let's come back to this question. I want all of you to try it out and we will see who is getting it correct and who is going wrong. Okay? Shreya is saying B. Okay, we will check it, Shreya. Anisha says C. Uncharted says C. Kirito says D. So only A is left out. So who is willing to take the bullet? Dhanush. So Dhanush is saying, sir, I will take A. Great. Exactly, Anisha. So let's see who is right and who is wrong. I will try to solve it for you. Please listen carefully, guys. So what is the equation of chord? We know that the equation of chord is x by a cos of, let's say, alpha plus beta by 2. We have alpha plus beta only, right? And you will have plus y by b sine of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Are you all clear with that? And we know that it passes through some point on the major axis. On the major axis means x-axis, which is at a distance of c from the origin. So on the x-axis at a distance of c, can I say the point is c comma 0? Are you all okay with that? Can I say the point will be c comma 0? Are you all okay with that? Because it is lying on the x-axis, so the y-coordinate should be 0, and it is at a distance of c from the center, so the x-coordinate should be c. So if I substitute this point on this line, it has to satisfy it. So let's substitute that. I will get c by a into cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Because your y coordinate is 0, so if I put y is 0 over here, this whole term goes off. Are you all clear? So I have a very nice expression which I can use to get my answer. So this is what is going to give me my answer. So let me bring that down. So I'll have cos of alpha plus beta by 2 divided by cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to a by c. Are you all clear with that, everybody? Are you guys clear with that, all of you? Yes? Perfect. So now I will use componendo dividendo. What is componendo dividendo? When you have ratio and proportion, let's say you have a by b is equal to c by d, componendo dividendo says if you write a plus b by a minus b, that will be equal to c plus d by c minus d. You can verify it for any ratio and proportion. That will be correct. Are you all clear? So here I'll have cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha minus beta by 2 divided by, I'll have cos of alpha plus beta by 2 minus cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Are you all clear with that? Yes. So that will be equal to what? A plus c by a minus c. Now you guys can solve it and get a very nice expression, because what is cos of a plus b by 2 plus cos of a minus b by 2? It will be 2 cos alpha by 2 cos beta by 2. Okay, and denominator will be 2 sin alpha by 2 sin beta by 2 with a minus sign. Now that is equal to a plus c by a minus c. So that's it. That gives you the answer, no? Very simple. So if I reciprocate it, I will get 2 and 2 cancel. Sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 will give me tan alpha by 2. I am reciprocating it, and you will get tan beta by 2, and you will get a minus sign, and that is equal to reciprocal of this, which is a minus c by a plus c. So this minus will get multiplied over here. So I will get plus c minus a. So that is why the answer is option B, and you guys were correct. Sugdha, Albert Einstein, you guys are all absolutely correct. Did you all like it? Shreya is also correct. Very good, Shreya. How to complete class 11 backlog before going to 12th? So JEE Mehta, depends on what time you have. Like I told in my video yesterday, so if your class 12th is starting in March, so let's say in your coaching institute or wherever you are studying, they are going to start your 12th standard in March. So you have 2 months time, right? Yes, Albert Einstein, you can remember this as a property also. It's quite important. So you have 2 months time if your 12th is beginning in March. So what you can do is, in this 2 months, you can try to complete the entire 11th math revision if possible. If you say, sir, no, I didn't do anything, I'm starting now only, so I cannot complete every topic, then you can probably do the important ones for 12th standard. I told you what are the important topics of 11th standard for your 12th standard. What are they? Quadratic, and then your binomial, PNC, and then trigonometry. Trigonometry is very important, guys, very. Do whatever you want, but please complete trigonometry before you go to 12th, because trigonometry is super important. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Yep. So shall we move forward, guys? Let's go to the next one, people. Please try to solve it. This is the next question. Let me see how many of you are able to do it. Exactly, Kiran. Yeah. Limits also, Shreya. Yes. I forgot to tell limits also. But in some coaching institutes, they teach limits itself in 12th standard. Okay. So if you learned limits in 11th standard, then please do revise it. But if you are learning limits in 12th, then you are lucky. Great. Do you recommend leaving vectors for JEE Mains and KVPY? Maybe for KVPY you can leave it, but not for mains, because for mains also vectors is actually an easy topic. And don't worry, if I take a one-shot series or a marathon session on it, you will be fine with it. Okay. I am very confident that one marathon session on vectors will make you guys experts of it. It's actually a laddu topic, man. Everybody scores in that. Okay. Exactly. So for mains, I won't recommend you leaving any topic, Achyut. Not even mathematical reasoning, not even statistics. So please don't do that. Don't leave out any topic. Got it? Yes, Abhishek, I have done binomial theorem fully. So please do check it out. It is there as a playlist. Binomial theorem, PNC, complex numbers, quadratic, sequence and series. All those topics are over. Yes. Okay, so everybody, what is the answer? Kirito says D. Okay, what about others? What do you guys think is the answer for this question? Everybody. Uncharted says B. Albert Einstein says B. What about others? Shreya, Aman Kumar says D. Kiran Kumar says D. Okay, that is surprising. What about Shreya? What about Ridhima? What about Anisha? Very good, Anisha. So guys, the answer is option B. The answer is option B. So Albert Einstein, Anisha and Uncharted, you guys are correct. Okay. So Shri Mail Bharati, I will explain it, don't worry, because the answer is center of the ellipse. So do you all understand center of the ellipse is 0, 0? And can I say one of the points is theta 1? So I can say it is A cos theta 1 and B sin theta 1. So let us say that is point P, and point Q is what? A cos theta 2 and B sin theta 2. Are you all cool with that, everybody? So these are the 2 points, and I want to understand what angle they subtend at the center. Okay, so let's draw a figure and understand what is happening. So we have 2 points, let's say P and Q. This is theta 1 eccentric angle, this is theta 2. Now I want to understand what angle they subtend at the center. So I want to find the slope of OP and slope of OQ, because through the slope of these 2 lines I can get this angle. I can get this angle, don't you all agree? So I will find slope of OQ. What is that? That is going to be B by A tan theta 2. And slope of OP is what? B by A tan theta 1. So what is the product of these two slopes? The product of these two slopes will be what? MOQ into MOP is equal to 1 with a minus sign. So that is why they subtend a right angle at the center. Sir, how is it 1, sir? You multiply these two and see. You will get B square by A square into tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. What is tan theta 1 into tan theta 2? It is minus A square by B square. So the product is minus 1. So the product of slope is minus 1, which means it subtends a right angle at the center. Did you guys like that? Everybody? Are you all able to understand it? Exactly. So they are perpendicular. So this is going to be perpendicular to that. Got it? So that is why the answer is the center. They subtend a right angle at the center. Got it? Very nice question, na? Yes, Albert Einstein. We will end it. Don't worry. So guys, with that, I will give you all a homework question. And with that, we will conclude. Okay? Yes, Kiran Kumar. I know you guys are all having sessions. So I will give you a few homework. You guys can try it out. And maybe in tomorrow's class, we will continue from here. Okay? So tomorrow is lecture number 3 of Ellipse. And after that, we have the advanced level problem solving. And how many of you are aware that tonight we have JEE Mains complex numbers question solving? So are you all excited about it? So tonight at 11 p.m. a midnight session with all our lovely ninjas. We are going to have a great time. So don't miss it out at any cost, because 11 p.m. might continue up to midnight 12. Okay? So please be there. Yes, Kiran, absolutely. So I will give you one homework question. This is the homework question which I will take it up in tomorrow's class. And Shreya, yes, Shreya, I will come up with KVPY. I have scheduled one for this week. I will try to make it 2. Okay? It is just we are running short of time. There is only a certain number of lectures I can do. If health permits, I will do a lot. But if I do a lot, then I will fall sick. That's a problem. Okay? Dhanush cannot join. No problem, Dhanush. No problem, Albert Einstein. That's totally fine, man. You guys can check out the recording. That would be awesome. So with that, we will conclude and we will take it up in the next class. So if you guys are interested in the Eklavya batch, please do take it down. Eklavya batch is the toppers batch of Vedantu, and it is completely free of cost, and it is taught by the best teachers of India, and you have mentoring by AP Sir and Pulkit Sir. AP Sir has mentored so many students to top ranks. He has immense experience which can completely motivate you and get you excited to achieve that dream rank of yours. So definitely check it out. And this is the past year's Eklavya students. Chirag Jain was our student in 2019. I have personally taught him. Very nice guy. And he is right now in IIT Delhi. He got All India rank 41. Then we had this year Dhruv Ramriya. He is right now the topper of Vedantu. All India rank 43 he got. So if you all are interested, check it out. This is a form link and this is the exam. Already one exam is over. We have 2 more exams. If you attempt it and if you get a good rank, we will take you for this batch at free of cost. Okay. Hello Geeta Patel, welcome. Very nice to see you. We are almost done with the session, guys. Okay. So this is the crash course for a month. 5-month price is 8,000 for 5 months. So you have January, February, March, April, May till your last attempt. Vedantu will help you with test series, material, assignments for each and every chapter, and that is included in this. For a price of just 8,000 rupees, you are getting such great content with such great teachers. So definitely check it out, and if you are interested, please buy it right now. Okay, because guys, this is a golden opportunity because the price may not change for a while. Okay, So if you are interested, grab it right now. This is the price for 5 months. All your 5 attempts, all your 4 attempts, you will have it starting from January. Okay, great. You have to use this coupon code SJCC so that you get the set discount. And join the Telegram group. Many of you do not join the Telegram group. I don't know why. Guys, Telegram group, if you join, you will get all the announcements first. That is the best part. Okay. And as always, do give us a like, do subscribe to our channel, and we will meet again today at 11 p.m. Are you all excited? Yes, Kiran. Everybody try to do your homework and come in the next class. I have told it. I have translated yours in English. So guys, don't forget to be there at 11 p.m. today. I hope to see all of you. Take care. All the very best, my dear students. Do well in life and stay happy always. Okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next one.